Can iPadOS 26 be the game changer that finally makes your laptop obsolete? Apple's latest iPad software is about to revolutionize the way we use tablets. I've been lucky enough to test the beta version, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The star of the show is undoubtedly the enhanced multitasking feature, Stage Manager. With this, you can now work with multiple apps simultaneously, just like on a Mac or PC. Say goodbye to the old one app at a time limitation. It's a huge leap forward, allowing you to open, resize, and move app windows freely. For instance, you can write a note and insert a photo from your Photos app without switching back and forth between apps. It's a seamless, side-by-side workflow that feels incredibly natural. iPadOS 26 also brings significant improvements to file management. Plug in an external USB-C drive and you can manage your files just as easily as on a laptop. Whether it's documents, photos, videos, or project files, you can open, save, and export them directly. The Files app now resembles the Finder on a Mac, making it a breeze to organize your folders and transfer files between your iPad and external storage. And with Stage Manager, you can even drag and drop files between your iPad and the external drive, right on the screen. It's an incredibly intuitive and efficient way to manage your files. Even the system menus and settings have taken a step closer to the Mac experience. From the layout to the controls, the iPad is becoming an even more powerful hybrid device. But here's where it gets controversial: the price. A fully loaded iPad Pro with Apple's Magic Keyboard will set you back more than a base model MacBook Air. It's a significant investment, and one that might make you think twice about making the switch. So, is it time to say goodbye to your laptop? For many, especially students, travelers, or those seeking a lightweight portable option, the iPad with iPadOS 26 could be the perfect solution. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but it's Apple's most ambitious attempt yet to make the iPad your primary computing device. What do you think? Is the iPad with iPadOS 26 a viable replacement for your laptop? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.